Hello everyone. Today, let us talk about the newly launched AI chatbot of the Supreme Court of India called Su-Sahayak. Until now, checking Supreme Court case details was not very easy for common man. Many litigants, advocates, and even law students found it difficult to search for case status, cause lists, judgments, or e-services on the website. To make legal service more accessible and user-friendly, the Supreme Court of India introduced the AI-powered chatbot Su-Sahayak. What is Su-Sahayak? Su-Sahayak is an artificial intelligence-based chatbot integrated into the official website of the Supreme Court of India. By using this chatbot, users can quickly get information related to Supreme Court services without searching through multiple web pages. For example, you can ask questions like, what is my case status? In my case listed in the cause list today? How can I download judgments or orders? How to use Supreme Court e-services? The chatbot instantly provides guidance and information. So what are the benefits of Su-Sahayak? First of all, it saves time. Earlier, people had to spend a lot of time searching through different sections of the website. Now, information can be accessed within seconds through the chatbot. Second, it improves access to justice. Even common citizens who are not familiar with court procedures can now easily understand and access Supreme Court services. Third, it is very useful for advocates and law students. Young advocates and law students can learn about court procedures, case tracking, and online legal services more easily. So, what services are available through Su-Sahayak? Case status information, cause list details, orders and judgments, Supreme Court e-services guidance, frequently asked questions. So, all these services are available through a single AI chatbot. How to use Su-Sahayak? Visit the official website of the Supreme Court of India. Click on the Su-Sahayak chatbot icon. Type your question, get instant information and guidance. So, official website of the Supreme Court of India. So, why this initiative important? This is a major step toward digital transformation in the Indian judiciary. The Supreme Court is trying to make legal services faster, earlier, and more accessible with the help of artificial intelligence. In the future, similar AI systems may also be introduced in high courts and other courts acts across India. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more legal updates and informative content. Thank you.